equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV14 and removing the battery for safety. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle apart to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the handle. This will not only help with the new trigger installation but also improve the overall performance of your vacuum. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. With the handle open, locate the trigger mechanism. You will see a small clip holding the trigger in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry this clip off. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the clip is removed, gently pull the trigger out. Now, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely fitted. Reattach the clip to hold the trigger in position. If you need assistance, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. After the trigger is secured, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the two halves and replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. Once the handle is back together, reinsert the battery and plug in your Dyson SV14. Test the new trigger to ensure it functions correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, give your vacuum a thorough clean, focusing on the filters and brush bar to maintain its performance. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your Dyson and keep it running efficiently. Thank you for following this guide, and happy cleaning. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.